Bakit? Patay, nakabibrate yung cellphone ko. Baka, sino yung tumawag? Patay. Yung ano, tumawag yung, hala, Inglesera. Hello? Ay, patay day. Nag-in-English siya day. Dili ko ka. Saan man pag-English? Yeah, I'm fine. How about you? Oh my God! Paano to mag-English? Yeah. Maybe, patay day. Di ta ka ba mag-in-English? Maybe later, yeah. Oh, yeah. I just call back later because paano to mag-English? Busy right now.